Hello and welcome to SMRC Foundation. In this short demo, we will take you through the exciting world of digital marketing. Whether you are a beginner or looking to upskill, this session will give you a taste of what our training program offers. By end of this video, you will understand what digital marketing is, why it is important, and see how you can build a successful career in this field. Let's dive in. Before we begin, I wanted to congratulate you for choosing the digital marketing field as your next step. Over the past 15 years, as you know, digital marketing has emerged as a highly successful field, creating millions of jobs in India as well as outside of India. And it's also for the fact that digital marketing is going to be the future for next 20-25 years. I'm not just saying it, I will show you with data. Also, in shortly put, as long as internet exists, digital marketing will always find its scope in generating jobs as well as opportunities across India and outside. Right? Once again, congratulations. And also, I would like to thank you for choosing this field. And since you are listening to this recording, which means you are making the right choice. And also, thank you for choosing SMRC Foundation for your digital marketing course. Before we go into that, I also wanted to take a minute and introduce you to my team. We are SMRC Education Foundation. What does that mean is we are a non-profit organization. We are here to help students, individuals, and businesses turn their dream into reality through high quality training, scholarships, as well as affordable courses and workshops in not only in digital marketing, but also in personality development, entrepreneurship, etc. Currently, we are located in two countries, India, which is in Hyderabad location, and United Kingdom, which is in Leeds location. I have shared our website details here. If you have time and you want to research about our company or our foundation, feel free to search for a SMRC Education Foundation and you'll get to this website. Take some time, maybe some 15-20 minutes, and try to research about our company, what kind of programs that we offer, what kind of courses we offer. You will have all the information that you need. On top of it, if you wanted to reach out to our team and want it to be answered any questions that you have, feel free to write an email here, inquiries@smrcfoundation.org, where our team will be very, very happy to answer to you and solve any questions that you have, and we'll be very happy to see you find the right solution. With that being said, we are here to build futures through education. Now, before we go into digital marketing, actual technical part of it, I wanted to tell you about our job market. Why did I say you have chosen the right path? Earlier, when I was congratulating you, I was saying digital marketing is going to the field and it's very important field, right? So let's dive into that. Here is an interesting question for you. Do you know which is the largest company in India with number of employees that it has? You are aware, right? Indian Railways is our Indian company which has highest number of employees. It has more than 1 lakh employees or more than that, which is the highest contributor for employees in India. And the second company, probably in the third company, Tata is our second largest employee-based company. And you know how big Tata is? And also, do you know for a fact which is the revenue contributor, which is the profit generating company in Tata Group? So there is Tata Click, there is Tata Titan, there is TCS, there is Tata Motors. But remember, TCS is the highest profit generating company for Tata Group as a group, and it has been the profit generating company for last many years. And TCS has, I think, more than 1.5 lakh of employees, I believe, in India alone. And you know how big that company is, right? So, but why I'm bringing TCS into this conversation? TCS is not just a software company. It doesn't mean that TCS only hire people who are from CS, CSC or IT or engineers or computer science. No, TCS also has a lot of team members or a lot of employees who are in digital marketing, who are in other streams as well, right? No, If you look at, this is a very recent information, which is of June 2024, TCS has stopped giving jobs for 80,000 people, which means these 80,000 people are those people, or those students or individuals who already received offer letters during their college times. But once they are completed their education or ready to join TCS, they stopped giving them an offer or official letter that yes, you can join. Now, why this happened? When the TCS executives or the main board of TCS was interviewed asking what's the reason, the answer is skill set gap. What does that mean? What does that mean is TCS, when they interviewed the students from college, different colleges and universities, they generally look for their communication, their competence, and all this, right? And they will release their offer saying that yes, once you complete your education, you can join TCS. But after they completed their education, the trouble is that whatever the company is expecting, what are the projects that they have, and what the students' qualifications are or their skill set is, those two are not matching. Companies are expecting something, whereas students are learning something else. So their skill set are not matching. Hence, they are saying skill set is the gap, and hence we are not giving any offer. They stopped 80,000 jobs. Now, is it the issue only with TCS? The answer is no. You can Google it. Don't just believe me. Go to internet and try to find whether this issue is happening only with TCS. No. Cognizant, CTS, Infosys, even Google for that matter has done the same thing in the last 1.5 years. So it means there is a huge skill set gap that is happening. So our colleges currently do not train people. For example, if anybody from this who is listening to this demo, they know if they have done an MBA or if they have done engineering, for example, do you get training in digital marketing? Because MBA is marketing, MBA marketing, digital marketing is being trained. The answer is no. I am an MBA student. Also, I am a CSE, BTech in CSE. When I am doing my CSE in computers, I was never trained on uh, cybersecurity. I was never trained on except C++, and Java. We were not trained on anything, which is not up to the expectations of the market. I did an MBA in very reputed B school, but I was not trained on digital marketing. There is only one page on digital marketing when I studied a 2 years course of MBA. So there is a huge gap from the colleges and from what companies are expecting. So I personally did digital marketing course back in 2012, right? So which is almost 14 years or close to 14, close to 13 to 14 years now, because I was aware that digital marketing is going to be the future back in 2012, right? So that is where the skill set gap is happening. Now, what you should do being a student or individual who is trying to find their path in professional world, what do you want to do? What are the skill sets that are available in the market? So if you just Google it, what are the fast growing skills? You can see cybersecurity, blockchain, data science, machine learning, artificial intelligence, also digital marketing and social media also are part of this. Of course, social media is part of digital marketing. It is not two different things, but I will get to why these are separated also when we actually give you a course. So you can see here, digital marketing and social media are also part of the fast growing skills, which have been growing skills in when I started my career. Also, they will continue to be here and it will continue to be for the next 20 to 35 years. So no doubt about it. So hence we choose the right path. Before we go into this digital marketing, I will talk about this cybersecurity, cloud computing, blockchain. If you see data science or artificial intelligence, machine learning, all these are highly technical skills, which means you need to either know some very highly technical programming skills. For example, blockchain. It's not easy to learn blockchain, which are the used. Blockchain is nothing but a technology used to develop cryptocurrencies and all. It's not easy to learn that skill. Cybersecurity, for example, it's highly technical, highly programming skills. Cloud computing, the same. Data science, you need to have at least a analytical background to learn that, or statistical background to learn it. Machine learning and artificial intelligence, you need to have at least a computer science engineering background or degree in computing and you need to learn an extra specialized course to get to that. So it requires highly technical programming or very deep, detailed understanding of technologies. Whereas on the other side, digital marketing and social media is very unique. It doesn't need any programming. I, being in digital marketing for more than 13 years now, I never written any kind of programming. I never written any kind of code. I did not learn any technically, highly technical tools to do something. Very simple and very effective, very practical tools or courses that I have done. And you can easily relate when you are learning digital marketing, you can easily relate. If you are, let's say, if you are seeing some ad on YouTube, you will practically relate to yourself, but you cannot practically relate cybersecurity or blockchain or any other technology for that matter. You cannot practically relate unless you are in digital marketing, where you can see any advertisement on YouTube or TV or Instagram or YouTube or Facebook, you will practically read. So such beauty is digital marketing. So that being said, there is immense opportunities for digital marketing. But I'm just saying because to impress you, here is the data for you. Why digital marketing? So I'm giving you some data which says what's the scope of digital marketing. If you look at this, the research done by LinkedIn, I believe you are aware of how powerful LinkedIn is. When they did a recent research, there are 8 lakh 60 jobs that are in demand, which are in the market only for digital marketing specialist role. 8 lakh 60 jobs, right? 8 lakh 60,000 jobs for that specific role. What about digital marketing specialist? What about digital marketing analyst, digital marketing executive, social media marketing, email marketing? So there are immense job opportunities that are available in market. Again, should we only believe in LinkedIn? Okay. You can see the graphs in the below, how companies are investing and how digital marketing market is growing across the globe. So we are in 2025 now. We are the digital marketing will be at 472 interactiveness or the spends that will be done by companies 472, and see in next 9 years it is going to 130 1300 amount, which is a 3x increase. So three times the market is getting increased, right? So that is how the market will evolve, three times the increase. So even if you say 8 lakh 60,000 jobs, which is into three, so 2 lakh 40 jobs that will be available in the market only for that particular digital marketing specialist role. Now, on the other side, if you look at how we spent, how companies have spent advertisement spends in last 4 years. So in 2020, if the spend is, let's say, I will take $191 million. Now in 4 years, they have almost doubled. In 4 years, it has doubled, which means the more and more the online growth, the more and more the companies wants to go towards online and spending. In next 10 years, those will definitely triple or increase by 4 times. That is where there will be a lot of opportunities, a lot of companies spending on digital advertisements, a lot of growth for digital marketing, which means a lot of employment, a lot of jobs, a lot of opportunities there. So that is the beauty of digital marketing. Now, can I say, you can question me, hey, why not there is a similar, but even if you research about blockchain, there will be definitely similar kind of jobs. The answer is not always true, because blockchain, for example, if I take, it is cryptocurrency. I know how much, maybe you are aware how much cryptocurrency is under very dilemma state. Lot of countries are not accepting cryptocurrencies. So the technology is not sure. Artificial intelligence and machine learning, of course, there is a future, but how much we can, how many of the students can or individuals can learn that skill? There's a big market gap, but there are jobs, but the market gap is still there. So it's not easy to learn. So only technical or highly skilled people can learn the technology. So although there are jobs, but there is a huge gap, whereas digital marketing is a very simple, very effective, very practical in learning, easy to learn and easy to fill the gap of job market, what job market is expecting, right? So with that being said, now, again, as I was saying, artificial intelligence or other tools have to be learned or other technologies have to be learned only by technical people. Then what is about digital marketing? Does there is any requirement for learning digital marketing? Okay, let me answer that. Only marketing students or professionals should learn? The answer is no, because of course, I studied MBA, but I have students who learned, I have employees who are reporting to me in my company. They are learning, they did not have, they only have degree background. There are people I know who have only completed 10th class and still have been successful in digital marketing. So, not needed that marketing students only have to learn. So, does it mean that anybody who is having a high degree or MBA or BTech should learn? The answer is still no. Whether can a commerce or medical student can learn? The answer is yes. Anybody can learn because a lot of doctors who are using digital marketing technology or digital marketing course. They did digital marketing course and also doing. You can search in Instagram. A lot of people who completed their MBA or sorry, who completed their medical, not doing jobs in hospitals, but they started their own clinics or whatever using Instagram and marketing themselves, right? So anybody can learn it and anybody can use digital marketing as a course and they can build their brand. Now, what I'm saying out of all this, it is practically anyone and everyone can learn digital marketing. Again, am I just saying? Here you go. Do you know this guy? Barack Obama. He is the two-time president of United Kingdom and one of the successful presidents of United Kingdom. But why he is related here? Any guess? Okay, let me answer that. Obama is the one of the first presidents or one of the top politicians who used digital marketing to be in the winning side in his political journey. So when he first contested for president role or president in United States, for him, he knows it is not easy to win. So for that, he learned digital marketing. He has digital marketing team. He hired digital marketing team, and he started creating his own brand. When I say brand, he himself became a brand and started promoting himself in digital marketing. That is the power of digital marketing, and now he became a successful. Now he was a successful president in United States for two times, right? Now that started a role of digital marketing even in politics. And into 2024, India had our elections, and how much of our political teams have used digital marketing. Every political parties have their digital marketing. They have presence in YouTube, Instagram, WhatsApp videos, Facebook. They have their own TV channels. So it is the power of digital marketing. Even political people, even MLAs, MPs have used digital marketing to be successful. They won their elections. They contested, won their elections with the power of digital marketing, not always just because they are good people. It is because they are, I'm not saying all of them are wrong, but it is the power of digital marketing they have utilized, and that's how they became successful. It's not that politicians have learned digital marketing course, but they have so-called digital marketing wings, social media wings in their team, in their political parties. Hence, they have been a successful politicians or successfully won the elections because of the power of digital marketing, right? Exciting. Now, with that being said, what kind of opportunities do we have in digital marketing? Now, if you are a student or an individual, you can get hired for a company and work as an employee for a company using digital marketing. I, being a digital marketing, I am working for a company uh, after me learning digital marketing. Now, you can also be a freelancer, which means if you want to earn an extra money without do not want to, or during when you are a student still studying or taking some other course or working on some other project, you can still do freelancing courses using digital marketing and you can earn extra money. Same as online earning. You can do, you can create your own website, small website, and start getting traffic to that and generate that traffic to sell something. You can see a lot of people doing that, right? Instagram, they create their own Instagram profiles, do a lot of videos. After that, they'll say, hey, we are doing partnership with, let's say, education course. And if you select from that, I will get money, which means through my Instagram, if I am sending people to log in or register for, let's say, for an education course, I will get an extra money. That is why people are so much into Instagram making reels, right? I think some of you might already be doing that, right? That is the power of online earning using affiliate. We call them as affiliate programs. And of course, you can be an entrepreneur. There are lots and lots of people who started their own companies learning digital marketing and now supporting their customers in digital marketing. So there are four different ways that you can build opportunities using digital marketing. Whereas coming back to or going back to that cloud computing or artificial intelligence or any other, there are only two options. Either you can join a company that is also a big company or a very new startup. You can go to there as an employee, or you can start a company. You cannot earn as a freelancer, or you can earn that saying that, hey, I have an Instagram, I make some videos and say, hey, I will create an uh, what we call cybersecurity program. Nobody will do that, right? Nobody will trust them and say, okay, I as a company and seeing some Instagram reel, I will sign up for their being a customer. That is impossible. So what I'm trying to say here is digital marketing has four different verticals for an opportunity, whereas other courses, if you see, there are only two. Either you can be an employee or you can start your own company. You cannot make extra income, or you cannot become any kind of generate revenue for you or make some money out of it using those technologies. So this is the power, this is the benefit of learning digital marketing. It will help you in anywhere. No need to say that digital marketing I learn and I always have to go to that. No, even if you do something else as well, you can still implement digital marketing. For example, a car mechanic. I live in Bangalore. I have seen one car mechanic who is using digital marketing the best way that he can use. He did not study anything. Recently, I went and I gave my car to them. And how I approached him, I saw an ad. I was searching on Google saying car mechanic near me. I saw his website and I went to him. Then I asked him, hey, how did you do this? Then he told, sir, I saw a lot of videos on YouTube and I learned myself. I asked help from uh, my son who is in intermediate. He told me how to do that. So he himself built his own website. He himself become a successful car mechanic using digital marketing. I'm practically telling you, this is exactly what happened very recently to me. So that's where people are doing that. People are building their own business, not relying on anything. Car mechanic who doesn't have any education, still doing that, right? With that being said, I'll go into the details of what different domains in digital marketing. So with this, now you can see here, there are 7 different verticals or functions of digital marketing. Search engine optimization, content marketing, social media marketing, you have pay-per-click, you have affiliate marketing, email marketing, search engine marketing. Now, does it mean that you need to learn all of them to be a successful? The answer is no. You can only learn one, or you can learn two, three, four, or all of them also. I have, I am a marketing manager here. I have my team members, nearly 5 people. One person is dedicated completely for search engine. One person is directly dedicated for content marketing and social media marketing. One person is for email marketing. One person is for search engine marketing. So I have individuals in my own team who are dedicatedly for one individual function. Now, there are people who handle both. For example, I handle all of them, but there are people who knows SEO as well as affiliate marketing. There are people who does content marketing and email marketing. There are people who does social media marketing and search engine marketing. So there are people who has multiple skill sets, but it is not necessary that you should learn all of them at once and be an expert in all of them. The answer is no. You can only concentrate on SEO, for example. You can only concentrate on email, for example, right? That is where it has that edge. Digital marketing has that edge. Whereas if you look at other side, blockchain technology, for instance, or cybersecurity technology, you need to learn the entire part of it. You cannot just learn one part of it and say, I'll do this. For example, Java, for example, C. You need to learn the entire concept. You cannot say one part of C or one part of Java or one part of artificial intelligence. No. Whereas in digital marketing, if you want to only concentrate on SEO, you can still do that. And a lot of people do that. They only start SEO, and growing in their career, they will add one by one, one by one, one by one. And by end of 10 years or 11 years, they will learn all of them. Or people who do it in 2, 3 years also, right? But it is good to know all of them. It's not necessary or it's not mandatory that you should know all of them and be an expert in all of them, right? That is where the domains of digital marketing comes into picture. Now, with that being said, I'll go into little detail of each of these to make you understand what these are. And as I was telling, digital marketing is very practical, so you will easily relate what I am talking to. Nothing technical, easily relatable concepts I will show you. I will not cover all of them in the interest of time. I will only cover key ones from here. And let's start with search engine optimization, right? What is a search engine optimization? First, what is search engine? Search engine is nothing but Google, Facebook, sorry, Google, Yahoo, Bing, which means where you go and search for something to find some information. That is nothing but a search engine. Google is the top search engine in the market. I am taking an example. Let's say if you search t-shirts, right? Now, it's showing Mintra, Snitch. Of course, there are multiple other. After that, I in the limited space, I showed you two examples. Let's say t-shirts. I searched for t-shirts. Now, Mintra is showing, Snitch is showing. So why not Puma being a big brand internationally or Adidas being a big brand? Why it's not showing here on the top section? It is because the Mintra team has optimized their website so that it is coming on the top, right? How many of you have went to, after searching something, went to fourth page or fifth page of Google, right? Which you never do, right? In most 99.99% of the cases, you never do. You will only spend either in the first page, maximum to second or the third page, but you never go to fourth page or fifth page at all, right? So which means the Mintra team has, or the person, the SEO person of Mintra has very effectively optimized his website to rank it on the top. We call it as ranking to make sure someone is searching t-shirts. My Mintra site should load on the top. Snitch has done the second best thing. Maybe Adidas or Puma or any other brand might be in the top, or let's say trends, or let's say Amazon might also be there, but it's not ranking on the top because the SEO person of Mintra has done a wonderful job to get it here, right? That is search engine. How do you make your website more relatable? If anyone searching for a keyword, we call them as t-shirts in this case is a keyword. If I'm searching for that keyword, let's say best digital marketing courses. So digital marketing is a keyword. So if you are searching for that, how you best you will make sure your page or your website is ranking on the top so that people are clicking on it. That is the power of, or that is what search engine optimization is. Now, I will talk about social media marketing. I don't think I need to talk more about it because whosoever is listening to this video are fully aware of social media marketing. I know how much time you are spending on Instagram, YouTube, Snapchat, or Facebook each and every day. I know how, I don't want to say this, how much you are involved and unable to get out of it, right? I know people, a lot of you might have already thought, no, this year I should not use social media a lot. I should stay away. It is impacting my education. It is impacting my career. But still you are, we call them as being very binge about it. You are getting involved in that is because the power of social media. It is making you get used to that, right? Have you ever wondered why Instagram, Facebook, or Snap or YouTube is offering those videos for free of cost, right? Why they are doing that? Why, even for that matter, Google, why it is giving that services for free of cost? Why Gmail is of free of cost for you, right? Why WhatsApp is free of cost for you? And of course, you are smart people. You are already aware of that answer because they make you get adjusted to that. They make you get involved in it. That is when they will start showing you ads. And for ads also, they will say pay premium and you will not see the ads. So that's where they will make money from both of them. Have you ever wondered YouTube saying premium? that you will not see ads once you may pay some amount, right? So have you ever thought this? Uh, so for YouTube, they're getting money from their clients showing ads, and they are getting money from uh, watch or viewers for not seeing the ads. So they're making money in two ways: from the from the clients or from the companies to show ads, they're getting money. From employees or from viewers, they're making money for not showing ads. So both side winning. That is the smart way of YouTube doing that. You understand that, right? For showing ads, they are taking money from the clients or the customers. For not showing ads, they are making money. So two-way benefit that YouTube is playing. So that's where using social media or social media platforms, how do you market your brand, right? For example, I'm showing if someone search for, let's say, t-shirts, or I want to travel, so you will see a lot of ads from Myntra or Amazon or whatever popping up on your Instagram reels. That is the power of social media marketing, right? With that being said, let's move to PPC, pay per click. It's more of a paid way of generating traffic to your website or to your brand. If you see social media or SEO, we call them as organic, which is nothing but how you do not spend money, but using your own keywords or websites, how do you write content so that you are getting traffic to that? Example is Instagram reels. How you yourself do videos, reels to bring viewers. That is organic. Whereas some people smartly, they pay extra 100 rupees, 200 rupees, or 1,000 rupees to get additional traffic to those people videos. That is called paid version of it, or paid way of getting, or non-organic way of getting traffic, right? So PPC is nothing but generating traffic to your website using or spending some extra dollars. That is where for every click that you are getting, you will pay to the search engine that, okay, I'll pay you $1 for every, or 1 rupee for every click that I'm getting. That is nothing but PPC, little more techniques around it. That is what PPC is all about, right? Now, out of all these uh, domains or types, I have covered three important ones. It's not that the rest are not important, but that will be covered in the later stage once you take the full course, right? In the interest of time, I'm only covering SEO, SMM, and PPC. Now, what does our SMRC does for you? In this digital marketing course, we offer a boot camp, 2 days boot camp. We have 1 day program also. We have 5 day program also. But we will recommend you taking 2 day boot camp where we will cover SEO, search engine marketing. We will cover social media marketing. We will cover SME or PPC. It is also called PPC. We will cover that also. We will cover website creation. We will cover about content using ChatGPT and all this. Also, at end of the day, too, we will provide you a course completion certificate as well. Okay, this is where SMRC has has built this program. Now, how do we build this program? Did we randomly take some information from the internet and did that? The answer is no. We have built a very thorough curriculum, which I will show you shortly. And in this 2 day boot camp, I have given you a detail of on each day what will be covered. In day one, we will help you with starting with website creation, then content marketing, how to use AI like ChatGPT and all, and how to generate content, search engine optimization, how you can do in day one. And in day two, the PPC or SEM, one and the same, social media marketing, and also we will distribute you the course completion certificates at end of day two. So this is the 2 day intensive program for 8 hours each day from morning 9 a.m. to evening 5 p.m. We will be covering everything, not theory, everything in a very, very, very practical way, showing you all relevant examples, and will make sure that you are understanding and you are ready to take your next step. That is how extensive and how practical, how simple the training would be. Now, as I was saying, we built our curriculum or these programs taking the help of the industry experts. So, right, for SEO, we created a very thorough visibility or curriculum where this curriculum was designed by an industry expert who is in SEO market or who is in the SEO field for more than close to 8 years now, or 8 years and more than 8 years. That person has built the entire curriculum detailing every single topic, what needs to be covered. Again, this is not what I will be using in the training, but this is what the curriculum is, the framework, and we have very nicely built presentations for you in a very practical way, which will be used during the actual trainings, and we will show you all the practically. So similarly, we have built for curriculum well built for social media, giving you the introduction, everything. There are 10 modules that were built, giving you very practical with relevant examples, practically showing how you can build your own social media handles or social media, Instagram reels, whatever, right? We have LinkedIn, Facebook, we covered everything so that you are getting that practical experience. The curriculum was designed by industry expert. Even the social media was built by social media person who has more than 10 years of experience. Similarly for PPC, similarly for website, similarly for content marketing, everything was built exclusively by the uh, people who are industry experts in this area. That is the uniqueness of our training program compared to any other people that are outside in the market. Entirely thoroughly designed for the understanding of people who are even not aware of what digital marketing is. We have built in a very, very simple methods, very innovatively, very creatively, very practically. We will show you all the training program for you, right? So now, how do you need to enroll? If I know this is the end of the demo, I believe you have liked this, and I hope you wanted to take the next step. If you want to enroll to our program, in simple, I will show you. Go to Google. You can also see, uh, go to SMRC Foundation, search for SMRC Foundation. You have offline training, go for offline, go to our programs, offline training, click on offline digital marketing training. You can see here, then you can go down and click on apply, give your details, fill in all the details here and submit the application. Boom, you have applied. Our team will practically reach out to you immediately. Within 1 day or 2 days, they will reach out to you and will give you all the necessary details, and that's it. You have enrolled to our program. Now, again, to tell you how we are different compared to any other program, we have created an exclusively curriculum. This is how the 2 day program will look like. So from day one, we will start with the introduction, website creation. With time, we will make sure that you are getting enough breaks and everything was well designed by the industry experts. And you will be at end of day two, you will be given the certification and closing comments. So everything was very detailed. We will be covering SEO, we will be covering website, we will be covering what we call social media, we will be covering about paid campaigns, we will talk about generative AI, we will be using content. All these things will be practically covered. At end of the program, we will share the presentations also. We will share you some content, which I will show you. This is where we call it as a checklist, which means this will also be shared with you. End of the program, or if you take any other job, you can keep this checklist with you and use this as a reference for you moving forward. For example, we have created, I will show you a website. You can say, if you want to start your first program, if you want to be a freelancer and you do not know where to start, you have detailed checklist for you where you can use this checklist and you can start anything. If you start answering all of this, and you are good to go. So for on-page SEO, for off-page SEO, for technical SEO, for PPC, affiliate marketing, we are also building, we have also for social media, we have a checklist created for each topic. This is the most unique part, which you will not get anywhere. We have created checklist for every single topic for you, and you will be given all this with the full presentations that we are built. We will give everything for you using also the checklist, also the reference documents. Everything will be given to you so that you can learn this at your home or use it as a reference moving forward. With that being said, I really thank you so much for taking your time and listening to this demo. And from the family of SMRC Foundation, thank you so much. And we look forward to see you in the training sessions. And I wish you all the very best for your digital marketing journey. Thank you so much.